This video explains the key stages involved in a bathroom renovation, from initial planning and budgeting to final inspection and completion. We will explore 7 essential stages to complete your bathroom renovation efficiently and professionally. Every bathroom renovation starts with planning and budgeting. This stage defines your budget, priorities, and what is realistic for the space before any work begins. The design stage includes layout planning, fixture selection, tile choices, and storage solutions. Good design balances functionality, comfort, and long-term use. Demolition removes existing fixtures, tile, flooring, and drywall. This exposes the structure and allows inspection of plumbing, framing, and subfloor conditions. Plumbing and electrical systems are installed or upgraded. This includes water lines, drains, lighting, outlets, and ventilation, all completed to code. Waterproofing protects the bathroom from moisture damage. Membranes, shower bases, and proper slopes are installed to ensure long-term durability. Tile and flooring are installed with precise spacing and proper adhesives. Quality installation is essential for durability and appearance. Fixtures and finishes are installed, including vanities, toilets, faucets, mirrors, and lighting. This stage brings the bathroom together. The final stage includes inspections, testing all systems, finishing details, and cleanup. The renovation is completed and ready for use. This completes the overview of the bathroom renovation process, guiding you from start to finish.